So today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder. As you can see, I have these materials here. First I have a screwdriver, then I have a hammer, some safety goggles, eye hook screws and a pile of nails, wood glue, some pieces of wood, a half a pipe, and a piece of plywood. So let's get started. Now I am going to take you through step by step to make a bird feeder. First you take 2 pieces of wood about 6 inches long, and then you'd put 2 holes in each end like I did here. And then you're going to use glue, so you might want to take something so you don't get glue on anything like a desk. And then you take the glue and this piece of wood, and then you'd open the glue, put some down in the hole, and then take a wooden rod, stick that in, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Next, you take the other two pieces of wood, 6 inches long, put a diagonal on each end like I did here, then curve on the other end like this, and then put a hole in the end with the curve. Then you take your half a pipe, your 2 screws, and the screwdriver. So then you take 1 screw, drop it in the hole, turn it over, take one of these, and start putting the screw in the hole, and turn it with your hand, and then you take the screwdriver and screw that into the wood. Okay, so then you do the other one like I did here, and then it'll look something like this. In this step, in advance we clamped, we use this clamp to put this on the edge of the desk. And now you take this piece of wood, and you'll line it up, and then you take the safety goggles, make sure this is lined up exactly the way you want it, then take 2 nails and stick them through like this. And then the other. As you can see, I took this off the clamp, and now this is ready to go for the next step. Now you take this that you set aside and set this up like that. Take the glue and put it in the holes. Like that. Now you take this, line it up down the side, and then you want to take this and pound it in. As you can see, I clamped it on the other end. Now you'll take the hammer and 2 of the nails. Start by putting 1 nail in, like that, and then you pound it in. So now, obviously, you would take the clamp off and set that aside. You might need it later. Then, now it just looks like a bird feeder with a roof, right? And now you will take the plywood 10 inches by 11.5 inches, and then you put it on here and take some nails. Now we'll turn it around. Don't pull it by the roof because it'll slide off, besides the fact that that's over there. And then just pound it in. So now I'll take the eye hooks and stick them in right here. And sometimes it helps if you take a screwdriver to turn it. It can go a lot faster. And now you think it's finished, right? Wrong. So then you put string through the eye hooks, and then you tie it together at the top, and then you would hang it and put bird feed in it, right in the half a pipe. And now you can watch the birds enjoy your bird feeder.